AutoCAD, master this one command first. Type line command. Click your starting point. Then type coordinates or a length to set the direction and press enter to finish. Keep ortho on for perfectly straight lines. This is the foundation of every civil drawing. Practice it daily. Drawing a manhole or circular column, this command is your go-to. Type circle. Click the center point, then enter the radius or diameter. You can also switch to the 2-point or 3-point or tan radius options for special cases. Use this for manholes, columns, pipes and any circular civil element. Arc command for curved roads and curbs. Need a curve in your road or curb line? Use the arc command. Type arc, then pick your method such as 3-point, start, center, end. Or start, end, radius and click the required points on the screen. Just put it here. Road curves, curb returns and culvert details all use this command. Draw a room or footing outline in 2 clicks, not 4 lines. Type rectangle, click the first corner, then click the opposite corner or type length and width. This automatically creates a closed polyline, perfect for footing layouts, room outlines and slab panels. Need a hexagonal or octagonal shape? This command does it in seconds. Type polygon, enter the number of sides, click the center point, then choose inscribed or circumscribed and set the radius, useful for special column shapes and decorative site elements. Drawing a curved planter or landscape feature, use ellipse. Type ellipse, click the center or first axis endpoint, define the major axis, then set the minor axis distance. Common in landscape drawings and curved site boundary details. Straight polylines can't show a natural contour. Spline can. Type spline, click through a series of points to create a smooth curve, then press enter to finish. Use it to trace natural ground contours. Essential for contour drawing and irregular boundary tracing. Marking survey coordinates on a drawing, use the point command. Type point, click the location and a point object get placed. Use B.Type first to set a visible point style so it shows up clearly on screen. Useful for marking survey benchmarks and reference locations. Highlighting a change for the client, don't circle it manually. Type Revcloud, set the arc length if needed, then drag around the area you want to flag. AutoCAD draws a cloud shape automatically. Use this to flag revisions and changes clearly on submission drawings. Stop manually tracing to create a closed area. Type the boundary command, select the pick points options, click inside any closed region and AutoCAD automatically creates a polyline boundary for you. This command saves time on complex room shapes. Need to show material in a drawing? Learn the hatch command. Type hatch, select a pattern such as concrete, brick or earth, click inside the closed boundary and adjust the scale from the properties panel. This makes drawings professional and readable for site teams. Want a shaded professional look for your presentation drawing? Type gradient. Choose a one color or two color style. Pick the gradient pattern, then click inside the closed boundary to apply the fill. Great for elevation shading and client facing presentation sheets.